You need to hear this if you're someone who dreams big. Lucid dreaming lets you take control of your dreams and explore limitless possibilities. Imagine being the master of your dream world every night. You can fly, explore fantastical landscapes, or meet your favorite characters. Nearly 50% of people have experienced a lucid dream at least once. With practice, you can make it a regular part of your sleep routine. Lucid dreaming can be a fun and enriching experience that adds excitement to your nights. Welcome to our DreamWork workshop. Learn techniques to master lucid dreaming and make the most out of your dream time. Control your dreams and say goodbye to nightmares. Turn a scary dream into a thrilling adventure. Reality checks help you realize when you're dreaming. Look at your hands or push a finger through your palm. This realization can unlock your lucid dream. Once you know you're dreaming, the possibilities are endless. Dream journaling helps you remember your dreams and recognize patterns. Write down your dreams as soon as you wake up. Visualization primes your mind for lucid dreaming. Picture yourself in a dream, aware and in control. The wild technique, wake-initiated lucid dreaming, involves keeping your mind alert while your body falls asleep. Close your eyes, relax, and boom, you're in a vivid dream, fully aware. This technique can be challenging but rewarding. Ready to start your lucid dreaming journey? Practice makes perfect. Keep trying different techniques and see what works best for you. If you found this helpful, check out our DreamWorks workshop series. Leave your name and email for details. Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep dreaming and take control. Sweet dreams.